Introduction to Git Repositories.
Git is a powerful tool for tracking changes in your code and collaborating with others. Before you can use Git in your project, you need to initialize a repository. This guide walks you through the essential steps to create a fresh Git repository, making it easy to manage and version control your code from the very beginning.
Prerequisites for getting started.
Before initializing a Git repository, make sure Git is installed on your computer. You can check this by opening your terminal or command prompt and typing git -- version. If it's installed, you'll see the version number. If not, download and install Git from the official website. Once installed, you're ready to start your first repository.
Navigating to your project folder.
Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to the folder where you want to create your project. You can do this by using the cd command followed by the folder path. If the folder doesn't exist yet, create it with mkdir project name, and then move inside it. This ensures Git tracks your project files from the right location.
Initializing the Git repository.
Inside your project folder, type the command git init, then press enter. This creates a new, empty Git repository in your directory. You'll notice a hidden .git folder has been created. This folder stores all the local version history and configuration for your project, marking it as a Git repository.
Adding and committing your files.
To start tracking files with Git, use git add ... to stage all files in your project. Then, commit them by typing git commit message initial commit. This records your project's starting point. You can now continue developing, using Git to save changes, track progress, and collaborate more effectively.
Recap and next steps.
You've successfully initialized a Git repository. This process sets the foundation for version control in your project. As you continue, explore commands like git status, git log, and git branch to expand your Git skills. With your repository set up, you're ready to collaborate and keep your work organized and safe.